Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return stuff on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom side of the screen and go to My Orders section. Now you want to find an order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details. So there you should see button Returns and Refunds. Now your page should look like this and you have to answer a few questions. So the first question is, did you receive your item? Select yes option. And the second question is, do you want to return your item? Select yes option as well. Then you have to provide a reason for requesting your refund or return. In our case it's return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons and you have to pick one. Tap continue, and here in this line you can indicate a refund amount. So if you want to have your refund, enter refund amount in that box and tap continue. Then confirm your return method. So there are two methods. The first one is AliExpress free return service and the second one is self drop-off. You have to decide for yourself which one works out for you best and tap one method. Tap continue, and additionally you can provide more information on your problem. So here in this box you can write a few sentences where you in details explain what exactly happened and why do you need this basically return. And then you can upload your photos, screenshots and videos as evidence for your seller. And of course, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests are processed within a few business days, so wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure that you go to My Orders section and open in a order that you want to return. And then you should go to dispute page and find your free return label. And actually you have deadline of 5 business days to do that, because if you miss your deadline, your case will be closed and you will be not able to reopen your dispute, and eventually you will not return your item back. So please make sure that you have your free return label, because without it you cannot simply make a return. Download it and print it out. Then you have to pack your parcel and stick that label to it, and then you have 15 days after receiving your label to go and drop off your parcel at the nearest local post office, and basically wait until your package arrives to your seller back. So that's basically it. But if you have some questions, if you still have some questions, you have to go to some random item, then scroll down to the section free returns within 19 days, tap learn more button at the bottom, scroll down to section free returns, tap view more, and here you can see basically step-by-step instructions and some information about return and refund. So you can find that information helpful. So I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.